Welcome to another episode how to make money as a music producer or an artist. Step by step, even if you don't have money, I'm going to take you through the two ways that you can actually start making money online. You'll be making money online even if you don't have large audience. We're gonna start right after the intro. Joe, the name is Godsa once again, and still the solution cover, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright, so guys, how can you make money as a music producer from scratch? Listen, I know you are good in mixing, I know you are good in making beats, you are good in mastering, you can create sample parts, you can create sample kits. Alright, so you're gonna use these skills that you are having to start earning money right now online. Alright, so the very first thing that I want you to start is to create a YouTube channel. If you're a music producer, all that you need to do right after watching this video is to create a YouTube channel. All you need is your Gmail, then sign up on YouTube. When you create a YouTube channel, all you're gonna do is to start teaching people how to make beats, how to mix beats, how to master a song, how to mix vocals, everything that you are good at. Start taking people through tutorials. And when you meet the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 public watch hours, you're gonna monetize your channel. When you become part of the YPP, the YouTube Partnership Program, you will be making money through us. Alright, by the time you click on this video, you saw an ads which ran on the video. Alright, so you'll be making money through those ads that you have been trying to escape and do a whole lot of. Alright, so first thing first, create a YouTube channel, and by the end of the year, you're gonna gain that 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 public watch hours. Alright, now when you create this YouTube channel, even if you are having 100 subscribers, less than 1,000 subscribers, you can actually start making money without even monetizing your channel. What you can actually do is to direct people to those websites where you bought your KRK, where you bought your sound card, your audio interface, where you bought your Yamaha monitors. Think of the microphones that you are having, where you bought them. You can actually direct your audience to those websites, and anytime they make purchase through your links, you will be earning a commission. And this is through the power of affiliate marketing. Companies, websites, want we the producers to direct people to those websites to make purchase of their products. Sign up with their services, and we will be making money through commission. Alright, so even from the scratch, you can actually start promoting affiliate links on your YouTube channel, and you will be directing your audience to make purchase, sign up, and you'll be earning a commission. This is super simple. Alright, next thing that you can actually do as a music producer and be making money is to create courses and sell them online. Alright, so there are a lot of websites that you can actually sell courses, and people will come and buy your courses, and you'll be making money. Think of Coursera, Skillshares. You can actually sign up with those websites and start selling online courses as a music producer, and you will be making money. Alright, moving on to the next thing that you can actually do as a music producer and make money online, step by step. This is crazy. This is super simple. By the way, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Godside. Let me know where you are watching me from. I want to know where you are watching this video from. Leave a comment. When are you starting your YouTube channel? Right now, as a music producer, you need to pay attention here. You see, we are always busy behind our laptop. We are always indoor with the artists, making songs and making beats. So we don't have time to go and do another jobs online. Alright, so we have to get something that we're gonna turn them into slaves, and these people gonna work for us. Alright, so how can we get a slave to work for us? We're gonna use our money. The little money that we are making from the artists, selling of beats, mixing projects. We're gonna turn some of the money into slaves. And how can we turn our money into slaves? Through investment. All right, so you can actually invest the little money that you are having. All right, so you can invest into the US stock market, the Hong Kong stock market, the Chinese stock market, buy cryptocurrencies, invest into real estate without you even owning a physical property, just with your smartphone without breaking any bank. All right, so how can you invest the little money that you are having? If you are watching me, I want you to click on the link in the description box and download the Bamboo investment app and the Mumu trading investment app. You can actually sign up with any of this platform and start investing into stocks. All right, and you're gonna make money through dividends and capital appreciation. If you want me to take you through investments step by step, if you want to know much about investments step by step, then click on the link that's going to take you to my next channel where I take you through investment. You can actually learn more about investment on that channel. All right, so the link will be in the description box. Click on that and go and learn much about investment. You don't need much before you can actually invest into real estate, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and any commodities. All right, so all you need to do is to subscribe to that channel, learn more about investment, and be making money whilst you are making music. All right, this is super crazy, and I'm going to take you through step by step. All right, so these are the ways that you can actually start making money as a music producer step by step. Where can you sell your beats? Where can you sell the beats, your sample packs that you are having? Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen, and I'm going to show you the website that you can actually sell your beats sample case as a music producer. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Name is Gosai. Go and do more music, come back for more. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to